Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for the perfect curly wig, this is definitely for you. Alright, so this wig is from Sam's Beauty. Of course, you know I love me some Sam's Beauty, and it's from the company The Stylist, and it's called the Spicy Curl, and I got it in the color 1B. So as you see, it's shoulder length, it's really curly, nice juicy curls. So it does have a natural looking scalp, it has hidden knots. It's super duper lightweight, and I don't know why you would want to, but this is curling iron safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So taking it out the pack, I love how much movement this hair has, and I love how soft it is. So on the inside of the cap, it has two standard clips in the front, and it has a clip in the back as well as the adjustable straps, and it comes with the soft Swiss lace in the front. So I am just going to go ahead and cut that off and apply this baby to my head. I'm not doing anything to it yet, no manipulating. I just want to see what it looks like before I do anything. And I look a little bit crazy. So what I decided to do was manipulate the part a little bit. So I don't wear makeup, so I don't have any concealer or anything. So what I did was just pull some hair out of the knots, but you want to make sure that you're careful with doing that because you can rip the lace. Alright, so after applying it, after I manipulated the part, I just start to finger detangle the hair. I just wanted to break up the curls a little bit, give it kind of a messier, cute look, a messier, intact look. So that's how much hair I got from detangling, but it's expected, especially with curly hair, and it's a synthetic wig. So, I mean, I don't think that's bad as long as you're not doing it like 38 times a day. Like, you shouldn't do that. But this is what it looks like after I picked out all the curls. I love how this looks. As y'all can see, I'm having so much fun with this hair. It's so light, and I think that's so important, especially with curly hair. And the best thing about this, look at that part. It looks so good, and the only thing I did was rip some of it out. Now you could use tweezers, but I used my hands because I ain't have no tweezers on site. But I wanted to see what it looked like in the middle part, and I'm actually kind of digging this middle part too. So I don't know, I think I'm going to wear it both in the middle and the side. And as you see, I'm just breaking up some of the curls as well. And with this in the middle part, I like that the hair is shorter in the front, like towards where my bangs are, and then it gets longer, so it's giving me that layered feel, and I really do love that. So on the site, I seen that this wig comes in a few different colors. I seen the burgundy color. I seen like the ombre blonde color. It's so freaking pretty. And I just love how realistic this hair looks. All right, guys, so that's basically it. I just wanted to show you how much I love this wig. And it's perfect for any season, especially spring, because it's right around the corner. But don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think about this wig below, and I will see you all on the next video.